And drive this one-handed is not good. Shoot. Shoot, can't drive one-handed, guys. Oh, heck. Messing around with the oval track, I decided, well, we need an off-road track too. So basically you come down the straightaway and you come into turn 2, hit the brakes, come in, come around, come back up onto the back straightaway, you turn, and then you got a right-hander, back out onto the back straightaway, and then down to a right-hander, and then back out onto the oval. But I think what I'm going to do, I'm almost thinking about getting rid of this part right here and just have this come in and then go straight across there and put a tabletop, big tabletop jump, and then going in. It's probably what I think I'm going to do. But yeah, it ought to be interesting one way or the other. Kind of fun, but see what we can do. But wanted to get the Grasshopper out, have some fun with it today. Since today's what I call Tamiya Tuesday. I need more Tamiyas, guys. And you guys got any you want to get rid of, let me know, because oh my gosh, I've only got the Grasshopper and my my Brat, the Subaru Brat, and that's all I got. And this Grasshopper is completely stock except for it has the Silvercan 540 motor. And what else did I do to it? I put a servo horn on the bottom of the chassis to hold the plate in the to hold the plate in place for the battery. Show you right here. See the white servo horn? It's got a longer screw, and ran it down and held it right in there, so that way my battery door don't open up like a typical frog, or not frog, but a grasshopper or a hornet. We're famous for that. But that's the way I solved that. But I love driving these old Tamiyas. They're just so much of my childhood. I mean, my very first car was this right here, except this isn't the exact car, but it was a Grasshopper. And I wish I still had my original, but but no, this thing's 100% stock out of the box, except the bearing kit. Never ever build a Tamiya without putting the bearings in it. I don't care what it is.